South Pole. You think you know about us, there's things that you don't know. You can call me Penguin, my flippers help me swim. I'm an underwater acrobat with super wetsuit skin.
I hope you enjoyed that little snippet from our Twinkl Tunes original song, You Can Call Me Penguin. Get your kids off their seats and on their feet to celebrate Penguin Awareness Day with this penguin dance song. To find our original songs, simply search for Twinkl Tunes original songs before selecting your key stage. Alternatively, you can select your key stage from the Twinkl menu tabs, then select music, then scroll down and select original songs. Once downloaded, you will have 3 options of files to open, either the backing track, PowerPoint, or the vocal track PowerPoint, and the lyric sheet PDF. All of our songs have been written by our music team with your learners in mind, so whether you want to sit back and listen, sing along, or perform for an audience, we have the songs you need right here.